guys, this is the most easiest way to paint on a canvas. Then firstly we will have our canvas and then started with blue color here at the top using brushes, using oil paint, but here we are using 1 time speed just to make the video so easy to recognize. That is why this is white color, shading it to the blue side, and then we are adding yellow color and blending it well to be very smooth with all colors. We are going to do like rainbow color, and then this is orange color. We're blending it to the yellow color side. Then added red, that is more dark to the orange color, but this is the first layer we are doing here. Then following the process, this is the pink color we are adding here. Then this is brown color we are adding to make it very clearly and make it shaded, and this is the dark space in here. Then we will start the grassy space layer. Then here we are moving to the circle layer. We start from the top, that we start first. This is blue we're adding to make it so realistic, but here packed and look it very well to this hack of shading I'm showing here. This is how to blend it so much to make it very clearly and make the colors one enter the other, make it shaded and make it very smoothly. We will be repeating what we do at the first packet, and I hope you can do it all. We are doing it grasses here. We start from the highlighted part. we move to the dark side and make the colors very dark, and we apply it here. The color we use here is green and black, then it become dark green. Then use this hack to make your grasses very realistic. This is the dark green I am adding here. I am putting the brush at stain stage. Then we are putting this yellow color at that stage. We're packing the brush. See it and pack it and dry it on your drawing. Then this is the last stage. After all the paintings you made, these colors are very dried. They're dried off. Then you started these three and using the brush very clearly, and don't rush, very carefully and slowly, step by step. Before you skip this video, please like the video and make a small comment, and please subscribe me for more videos on art, each kind of art I'm making. Check my channel for more tutorials on drawings. Thank you for watching. Let's end it.